You know Lady V a blood liar, and I know Lady V a blood liar. Kingston 13. Me dep on my break. Right? And yo, me no know where I go on out here, sir. But you see, if Lady V tell you something, me I go come home and me I go answer Lady V. Because one thing about it, me no fool around the place. However long me been out here, you know me as long as me been out here. Me no grow up as no disrespectful child. You do something to me for call it Kingston 13, use your head. I'm going to answer Lady V. Whether I'm go home and break, I go chat about her or something like that. I'm telling you something. Me no in a clap mix up with no that body out there, son. None. Me have a whole heap of sisters and me have a whole heap of blood clot brothers. No cap about it. Lady V want me answer, me I go answer. Lady V want me chat about her, I go do it. She chat too much. Now, Kingston 13, looking at yourself as a big woman and see if me mix up or me blend up with no body out there, so. You understand? Lady V is a cause she know what she do. When don't bring my name cross no page. Lady V now live no life. You understand? Me never did I go home and breaking up, but I shall go home and break. Because one thing about it, people fuck around with people all the while. Me I know one of them fuck around with. Me have a goat tongue. And me have goat mouth too. If me want to call somebody something, call them something. Everybody know what me stand up for. Kingston 13. Don't make them push you away, no. You see, when young people respect you, I better you just go on with it and done. Me know the Lord better than anybody else. But think them know him. And I fuck round pan Bible. And I fuck off Bible leaf. Me not dress like uno. Me not coming like uno. Me not stay like uno. All who want to sit down there and make that Lady V chat off her bumble clap mouth, them can't do it. Because yeah, somebody don't get along. You know how much time I say, this don't go to you and this don't go to Lady V, go suck yourself. Right? Because I'm not going to make you do it. I'm not going to fucking make you do it. You're going to sit down there and you're going to know yourself. I swear to God. And nobody not to say nothing, you know. Nobody not say nothing to me. Nobody don't say nothing to me. And if you feel like say your people, them are going to come over here, one licking back over your page, Lady V, because I'm sick of it. I'm going to tell people what they need to know. Because I don't feel like say people, my fucking parents, them have money, you know. My sister, them have money, you know. Me not mixing a koro. When the Lord lick them now, them go over there, so, and them go learn sense. Me never disrespect you before Kingston 13. And I don't give a nobody pan you, so. None. Remember me tell you that. Which part, any one of my life them you can tell. Me make sure say, me move the people them out of the blood clot with it. All my bills is paid. I don't work for shit. Call it so one time I get clot paycheck them, me just throw them down. So what the fuck you not talk about? Don't start with me, man. Me know what the fuck wrong with you now. Me dey on my break and I swear to God, Lady V, I'm sick of you. I'm sick of you. I give you the utmost respect and your name always come up in a shit. I'm gonna tell people I don't give a f. I'm gonna tell the people and they gonna know how fucking slimy and dirty you is. And I swear to God on my soul. When enough of y'all mix good people gonna on yourself. One of these big people, I was raised right. Right? If Kingston 13, you shouldn't even say that out mouth. You could have called me and asked me if I fucking say it. No fucking views over here. But fill up bleachers. What do you know, man? Yo, when young people, that's why young people are kill out there. That's why young people just fuck up. I will leave you up to bad time. Don't fuck with me. If you know manners. When fighter go on outside, I don't run to it. Me know who do something to me and who I just sit down and a chat. You don't need a job, you don't need a full-time job. I don't deal with people business. I've been on my own out here. And what do you know? Because I know all who wrong and all who not have no good heart, they going down. That's what I mean. And what do you know? All the fuck me for disrespect your Kingston 13. I have nothing to do with what's going on. Me see you over Ashanti. I put anything else in my house, in it. And what do you know? Kingston 13, answer yourself. Me ever diss you yet? Anything I go on, means I live in weakness. To all the Lord work, me say nothing to nobody. Me tell you, say, Lady V's a blood liar. Cause you ask me the things them Kingston 13. I've never disrespect you. Me have no reason. Me look like a clown. Me know exactly who my father is. I know who my mother is. I know who my family them is. And we not chat. Me's a blessed child. I was born with a gift and an anointment on my soul. Motherfuckers. And what do you know? Yo, me pay myself and clock out and condone the blood clot media. And what do you know? Ashanti and me G, me know if I stay to my side. Me never disrespect you before. You understand, Kingston 13? Ask your self and then go to the Lord. The one will wake you up and take you out of everything. And that you fi do. Me not joke around, you know. Me not joke around and mama as little as you see me here. Me are one of the dearest mother. Kingston 13, when I'm a disappear picnic them, who come out here and tell you? Anybody else did it? A signal me get. So how me get from this to here, so I must know myself. A fighting I gonna have nothing to do with it. Me don't look enough. Lady V, because you caused this. Eh? Watch. Sick of you. Me try for humble. Me try not for say nothing. Me just go on, you understand? This fucking like a sneaky woman. What to you, Lady V? Yeah, you don't for fucking answer. Make the people them here where you go along with. Me trouble, you know. Kingston 13, me nothing know what a bitch is neither, you know. Cause it take a bitch for know a real queen. You shouldn't have played such. Me not trouble you. You think me I go like that? I what do you know, yo? Leave me out on a tear down. And bring down, cause the Lord know what I do to each and every one of you out there, so. Wait for the years them for come down and see it now. And don't trouble me, no. Don't fucking trouble me. Don't trouble me. If you don't want nothing, dog, don't trouble me. If you don't want a thing, don't trouble me. And I swear to God, for my soul and fool no soul, while I'm there, kiki kakaka, to fuck. You better leave me alone, yeah? Kingston 13. Me don't know why you don't know by now. It's a Lady Visa. Listen, Kingston 13. are you me have respect for. Right? You never trouble me. Because everybody not get along with everybody. Nobody never do nothing to me. But you see Lady V Kingston 13. Lady V, me, I gonna make her get it. In a truth, spirit and in truth. If you see the Bible where she have, it ain't gonna make no more difference. You understand? Where respect is due, me give respect. Me not stay a certain way. It not gonna bring me nowhere. Me very educated. Me and nobody can tell me nothing neither. Don't tell me say nobody not say nothing. No stay out of way. Wanna know nothing? Me there work and me listening. Kingston 13 for know say me is a child when I bother. And me not gonna lie out here so. Rude. And a she. What me kind of think say the other one? Eh? What me kind of think say Lady V are the problem? You think me no know? You think I'm a blood clot idiot? Me know what she do. Team me know what Lady V a do. But Kingston 13 for know better than that. And I swear to God on my soul and the rastum and the altar way in my house with my father. Lady V better come out and tell the blood clot reason why she really pissed off with me. By the time me come home, I swear to God, for my father. No. Me know what Lady V a do. Eh? She want it, I go and give it to her. You want me call a Shanty show? I go and give it to her. And tomorrow me I do it. Or when me go home, me no care. Me no trouble. For me if I go around and go trouble people, that means say my auntie them now go look good. I'm not deal with no fear. For a grind pan Bible and I'm tired. I have to be tired to put it like this. No, me gone.